How can we remember words of Western European languages? Let's start by saying that each letter of the alphabet is not just a void phoneme, many times, not a container, but it has an inner meaning, at least in Italian and close languages, about which people are not really aware. For example, C, especially when it's put together in the syllable ka, has meanings as cover, catch, control, contain, or container. So the graphic representation that I use is this one. Now, ka alone is not a complete word root, so we need to combine it together with other consonants. Let's see some examples. For B, I use this graphic sign. Since its range of meanings includes words and concepts like basics, lower, tray, and others. So if we put together the signs of K and B, we get a cabin on a ferry boat. K and B. Cab. And the meaning of the word root cab is right this one. This is useful not just in Italian, as many roots are shared among European languages. For example, for cab, we have words like cabina in Italian and Spanish, cabine in French and Portuguese, cabin in English. Of course, the differences in pronunciation may affect the sound of the same root in a significant way, but in order to understand the written word, it's already a great starting point. Let's see another consonant, which is D. D means direction and mostly refer to actions that start from ourselves and that are directed towards another person or entity. For example, dire, to say, dare, to give. We can use an arrow to represent it graphically and see what we get with cad. Which is like this: K plus D. The meaning of the word root cad in Italian and in other Western European languages is to fall down, go down. No surprise, the full verb in Italian is cadere, to fall. And similar forms in European languages include the Spanish caer or the Portuguese cair. But we have also many other words with this word root. For example, decadence in English, decadenza in Italian, decadencia in Spanish, decadencia in Portuguese, decadence in French, and so on. The letter M represents concepts like matter, matrix, the origin of an object, a material, or the origin of a person, a mother. I use a square or a rectangle to represent it. When we put K and M together, we get two different drawings. The first one is this. And this one is come. Which is a shirt. So we have the sleeves and the rest of the shirt. The second one is this one, which is a bedroom. So a room, an ambience, a room, and a bed inside. For the first one, for the former, we have camicia in Italian, camisa in Spanish and Portuguese, chemise in French. For the latter, we have camera in Italian, chambre in French, and chamber in English.